In this video, we are going to see how we can connect the same WhatsApp business account with two phones. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just install the WhatsApp business on a new phone. In this case, I have installed it on my iPhone, and we click on it to open, and it will show you the welcome screen. After that, it will show you the option to enter your number. After that, we will click on the three dots on the top right hand corner instead of entering the number and click on link as companion device. It will generate a QR code, which I will hide or blur it out for the security purposes. And after that, I'll open up my WhatsApp business account on my old phone. And after that, once you see the main screen, you click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and click on linked devices. We'll click on linked device. It will ask for the verification. And now we will just simply scan that QR code. Now just keep both of the phones together. I'll just mention this name as iOS business. Click on save and just wait for it to complete, and it will log in to the WhatsApp business account on the new phone as well. As you can see, you can now create your catalog and so on, or otherwise I can just simply move to my chats, and that is how we do it. Now we are using the WhatsApp business on two phones. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.